This bathtub here in Dallas was refinished too thin, like a lot of them, and I'm stripping all of this stuff off. It's coming off so easy. It was not bonded, and it's just coming off left and right. The tenant said they were actually just peeling it off, and you can see, I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but there's a bunch of runs. Basically what they tried to do is whoever did this tried to over thin acrylic urethane, did not bond it, so it got moisture underneath it. And this, let me see, okay, this is the top, this is the back. If you can see how shiny that is, it gets moisture and condensation under it, it doesn't stick and it just peels right off. And so anyway, and you can see how shiny that is. You can see where they tried to either scratch it. I believe that was probably already there. It's probably why they refinished it. No, I think they tried to do it because there's some here and there, which are them front edges that tend to want to work up. So they, you know, I showed several that were like apartments, and there's some more back here midway. But where they were just trying to etch it in. It doesn't work that way. I've got a liquid that goes on, etches in, opens the pores. That's what you're trying to do, is open the pores. And it's a molecular bonding silane, which is on my website. And anyway, I will get this finished up, and then look how shiny that is. I just looked at the camera. Look how glossy that is. And so I will, and under here, look, here's the refinished. It's not nearly as glossy as the old. That should not be like that. But anyway, I've rambled long enough. I'm going to get this fixed up for them, and I will show you an after shortly. Look how easy this stuff comes off. I just wanted to show you. This is what I just peeled off. Look at that big. That should not come. This is the side that was up. This is the bottom. Look how glossy it is. You would think this side would be facing up. That means condensation formed against it. Nothing bonded it. And it just came right off. Let's see if I can get another. Look at that. I can't get it. It's so thin. I can't get it to hold together. Yeah, there. Well, a little bit. I did. You can see. It's just, wow. All right, I'll have it down here in a little bit. This has what does it have? Oh, it's got the fusion lock. Sorry. It's got fusion lock in it. Got all the old stuff out. 13 mils thick all the way around. With the outside wall recaulked along the bottom. And it's got a slip resistant resin on the back half of the tub. And we'll be ready for them to use anytime after 7 tomorrow at DallasBathtubRefinishing.com. Thank you.